All right, my dear student. Up to this point, we have been doing a great job, coding stuff, and we're having a lot of fun, right? All right. So it's time for us to actually try to see if we can make this work. But just in case we find the user, there is no actually letting us know here that we were successful, right? So it would be nice if we had some type of notification here telling us you are logged in, because we don't know yet. So here, if we find a user, we're setting all this information. It would be nice to have that notification. So let's do that too. So let's actually set a notification with the session class, and we're gonna set some flash data. All right, and this flash data name will be login success. All right, that's what I'm gonna name it, and I'm gonna say something like you are now logged in. Beautiful. All right, so now that we're setting this notification, it would be nice to receive it and echo it, right? So let's go to our home view right here, and in this home view, let's just actually put this right above here and put a paragraph. And on this paragraph, I'm gonna put a class. I'm gonna type in VG hyphen danger. This is just gonna bootstrap class that's gonna make the background BG. That's what this BG stands for. Red. All right. So I'm gonna put PHP here in the middle. I'm actually going to do this here, and I'm gonna put an if statement here. I'm gonna use that nice format that I showed you a couple lectures ago. And if, and I'm gonna echo stuff out right here in the middle. But first we need to check. So if this session, and this is beautiful because we can use this everywhere, right? This session, what is it? Flash data. Oops. Flash data. There we go. Logged in. That's the data that will let us know if we are logged in. Actually, login success is the one. That's the flash data. The logged in is the user data, which is the permanent session until we delete it. Actually, it's 1G login and no G here at the end. Login success. If we have that, then we are going to be echoing that value there. All right, perfect. Let's go to our database and make use of this. Make sure you save it. Go back to your user model here and save it. All right. Now I want to set a message here also if this fails. So what we're going to be doing, we're going to be testing this in the next lecture. Right now we're setting all these messages there, making sure that everything is good, and then we'll test it. All right. So let's set this one here to say login failed, and this one will say sorry, you are not logged in. All right, that's what this one is gonna say. Let's go back to home. Actually, this, instead of saying danger, let's make a success, this class. That way it's green, it's not red. And then we make a copy of this and put the failed login below. Login failed session in danger. All right, that way is displayed in red. BG danger. Perfect. So let's go in the next lecture and test all this out. But first, let's run through it a little bit and make sure that everything is good. All right. So it's looking good right now. We don't see any errors. Of course not. PHP is gonna let us know if we have some type of mistake, some type of typo somewhere. All right. Since we are running a little quickly here because this is information that you already know. All right, let's just make sure this is indented a little bit. Perfect. All right, let's do this in the next lecture. Thank you so much, and I'll see you then. keep having fun.